Marine Instruments is an application that helps control and monitor uh, marine vessels. Um, it has many different capabilities, and we'll cover all of them in this short video. The first capability is monitoring the built-in instruments of the yacht, depth finder, wind meter, GPS information, AIS information, even RPM of the engines, and so on and so forth. First of all, local mode. In local mode, the Android connected to the instruments on the yacht. We are now in local mode, and we're testing how far the cell phone be from the vessel and still be connected wirelessly to the instruments. In this little test, we found out that we can be 100 feet away from the vessel and still be connected locally, wirelessly, to the instruments of the vessel. With the same application is to have two phones, in which one phone stays on the yacht and the other phone goes with you wherever you want. So if you are the owner of a yacht and the yacht is doing a delivery from, let's say, the Caribbean to the Mediterranean, you can see it every morning. This phone is going to be the server that's going to stay on the yacht. This phone is going to be the one that's going to be the remote, that's going to be the hand of the owner of the yacht. Can go anywhere in the world as long as he has data on his phone, and see what capabilities we can accomplish. So let's start the server. First of all, we'll connect it to the yacht. That's pretty smooth automatically. It's already connected. We can have the speed. Of course, we're standing now, so it's 0.1 knots. The direction, the wind is pretty calm, coming from green 175 or so. This is where we are right now. Okay, let's go ahead and click on more, and we'll allow callback, and we'll allow pictures. And now we can go back to seeing the instruments, basically. Of course, we have to do server, so we serve it up so this remote can see it. Alright, we start the remote, and by the way, both programs are identical, so everybody can be a remote or a server as we wish. Alrighty, so in this one we're gonna go to be a remote. This number 206 is the same as this number. This is the server, and this is connecting to this server. So as you can see, it's the same depth. This is lagging behind a little bit here, but that's because this goes to the cloud and this is reading the cloud. This is really fast, goes directly to the instrument. This goes from the cloud. Now we'll go to more over here. Get a call. And of course, we're getting a call. Immediately, we're answering the call. Shut it off over here. This we shut off as well. We go back to monitoring the yacht. Now we're going to ask for a photo. It says that we have to be the designator remote, and we are. Oh, it says sending a photo. It says the email that it's sending it to, and actually the email with the photo is. Another feature of Marine Instrument is being able to view the data using Google Earth on a PC. In this configuration, the Android mobile phone on the yacht is serving data that can be viewed remotely on a PC. This is how it looks. Over here, this is overhead view. This is a view from south of the yacht, looking north. And this view is a point of reference from the bridge, POV, point of view. You can actually see the different view by themselves, larger. Let's take the looking from the south with screen 2. So I push on screen 2 and I will get this view only. As you can see, the water getting deeper as we are actually out on the ocean already. This is a recording that I did on one of the trips, but you will see the same thing on live from the boat. If you put the server number over here and the server is connected, right away you will see the live instrument of the yacht. This is a recording. This is another feature that we have in Marine Instruments, ability to record and then play. So we recorded and we're playing it right now. This is a Bay Marina in Bimini. As you can see, the yacht is going out of the dock and it's pretty shallow here. Speed is 5 to 15 foot deep, and you'll see pretty soon that the water is really shallow and narrow. I'm gonna switch to another view, to the point of view, once we get out of the marina, because I think it's gonna be easier to see the color difference. Right here, you all can see here. What you see here, this is the canal. Okay, we go to screen 3, which is the point of view from the bridge. Here, this is the channel. This is the shallow. This is the shallow. The wind is 6.4. Marine Instrument Server can serve instrument data to programs who run on a PC using Marine Instrument Bridge. This clip will show this capability. Put a server number here, connecting to the server. Connecting to a server of one yacht. There is an Android Marine Instruments in a yacht. Information goes to the cloud. Instead of using another Android phone, I'm using this bridge, and this bridge actually will help me connect to regular or available plotting programs. For instance, a lot of people using CClear, and CClear usually needs some kind of a GPS connected to a serial port. In this case, we are giving CClear the information, and this information is actually coming from the yacht. So instead of getting information locally, even though I'm sitting 50 miles from or 75 miles from the yacht, I can actually see all the information that's on the yacht. The depth is 4.1 meter, the wind is 3.2 meter per second, which is 3.9 knots, and basically this program is hooked to our boat via the bridge. Okay, this is one instrument program. We'll close this one. We'll keep this connected to the yacht and we'll open another one. This is a different program. It's also rely on instruments connected to the programs. We actually supply all the information. You see, we supply the 14 foot, the speed that we're going, wind angle, relative wind. This is the lat long of our boat. So what's really happening here, we didn't have to make any change on these programs. We actually, instead of putting a GPS connected to a serial port, we're actually using this bridge to connect to these programs. The advantage is that we getting the instruments that coming from the boat, which are more accurate, and there are more of them instead of just GPS. Now we have the depth finder and we have wind meter, and everything comes together to these programs. All right, we close this one here. We'll try to put one more program. That will be a different one. Polarcom, it's called. It's a different program. It works the same way. I like this program. It's made very clean and beautiful. And together with the bridge, you can see the wind coming from wind 90. We go 6.5 knots. This is where the yacht is. Okay, so you get the idea. This is another capability of marine instrument, and if I try to explain what it is in few words, it is the ability to connect basically any plotting program to the yacht instruments by using a bridge that get information from the cloud. Also, for this capability, we need only one Android on the yacht, and instead of having another Android to get to be in remote, the bridge is actually the remote, and it's bridging between the yacht and the various program. This is it for the first segment of 3 segments of marine instrument videos. In the first segment, I explained the capabilities of marine instrument. Here, we're recapping all the capabilities. In the next segment, I will explain how to use the app and each of its capabilities. Thank you for your time today. Thank you.